Back to school season is the perfect time to make sure your children's routine immunizations are up to date. And if they're not, Metro Public Health and Wellness has you covered with some vaccine clinics open to the community. Call 574-5380 to schedule one now.
On July 29th, we announced our second case of measles in Jefferson County. This case was a contact of our first case. If we look across the state, there have been 14 cases reported across Kentucky this year. This is remarkable because before these two cases, we had not had a case of measles in Jefferson County since 2011. Nationwide, there have been more than 1,300 cases of measles this year, and the CDC reports that that is the most cases we've had in 33 years. If you take 10 people who don't have any immunity to measles because they've never been immunized, and you put them in a room with somebody with measles, 9 of them will get infected. It's that contagious. People who've never seen measles may say, is this really a big deal? I mean, do I care? Is it not just another viral respiratory illness? Measles can be a life-threatening respiratory illness. 1 in 5 unvaccinated people in the US will need to be hospitalized. 1 in 20 kids may develop pneumonia after a measles infection, and that can be life-threatening. 1 in 1,000 will develop an inflammation of the brain or encephalitis, and that can cause deafness and a lot of other problems. If you take 1,000 people with measles, 1,000 kids, 1 to 3 of those may die of their infection. We've had 3 measles deaths in the US thus far this year. But you know what? Even after you recover from measles, it's not over. Measles infection suppresses the immune system and makes it harder to fight other infections that you're exposed to for months after you recover from measles. So it's best to prevent measles. We know how to prevent measles. We prevent it with vaccination. Measles, mumps, rubella vaccine is safe and it's effective. 2 doses of measles vaccine are 97% effective against preventing measles. We always encourage kids to see their pediatrician or primary care provider for vaccines and other preventive health care. But when it's difficult to get a vaccine appointment, the health department also offers vaccines. We're having a back-to-school vaccine clinic at our Dixie Highway location on August the 5th. And I'm excited to announce that vaccines will be available at the St. Joe's Picnic on August 9th.